Hello students of class 10. Today I will be starting a new chapter, that is quadratic equation in one variable. What is a quadratic equation? Quadratic equation. An equation in which the highest power of the variable is 2 is called a quadratic equation. For example, 5x square plus 9x plus 3 equals to 0. It is an equation, and why it is a quadratic equation? As here the variable is x and the highest power of the variable is 2. That's why it is a quadratic equation. And it is in one variable. Here only one variable, x. There are this type of equations may come 5x square plus 6xy plus 9y square equals to 0. Here there are two variables, x and y. Power of the variable x is 2. Power of the variable, maximum power of the variable y is also 2. So it is also a quadratic equation, but it is not a quadratic equation in one variable. There are two variables, x and y, and this is not included in your syllabus. So only we will discuss about the quadratic equation in one variable. Clear? Now what is the general form of the quadratic equation? General form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. What are ABC? A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. Clear? Now, what is the most important condition? That any equation which can be a quadratic equation, that is a not equals to 0. That is the most important condition. A not equals to 0. If a will be 0, then what will happen? Suppose a 0. A 0 means 0 into x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This term will be vanished away. So my equation is becoming bx plus c equals to 0. This is not a quadratic equation. It is a linear equation. Clear? So most important condition is that a not equals to 0. Clear? Then after solving any quadratic equation, you will get two values of the variable. Clear? Two values of the variable. That these two values are called two roots. After solving any quadratic equation, we will get two roots. Clear? That means two values of the unknown variable. Two roots will come. Now to get these two roots, we can solve either by, there are many methods, either by factorization method, that means middle term factor, or by expressing the equation as a perfect square, a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square as a perfect square, or by Sridhar Acharya's formula. Afterwards, I will explain this formula. First, we will try to solve any equation by factorization method. It will be easier. Okay. If not possible, then we will apply Sridharacharya's formula. Then next part, if the question is in this form, it is x to the power 4 minus x square minus 2 equals to 0. It is the general form. It will match with the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. That with respect to which the equation is a quadratic equation. So here one more step I am writing x to the power 4 means x square whole square minus x square minus 2 equals to 0. So your answer will be with respect to x square it is a quadratic equation. Clear? Suppose there is instead of x to the power 4 there is x to the power 6 minus 5x cube plus 9 equals to 0. Then here you will write x cube whole square minus 5x cube plus 9 equals to 0. So with respect to x cube, clear, it is a quadratic equation. Now next one, if this type will come from reference book, I am doing this part. Under what condition the equation is a quadratic equation? Listen properly. First I am writing a plus 2 x square plus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. The question is that under what condition? It is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. So this term will exist. So a not equals to minus 2. That means a plus 2 not equals to 0. From here we are getting a not equals to minus 2. Clear? Your answer will be a not equals to minus 2. Next, under what condition both the roots of the equation are 0? Okay. General form of the equation is given ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It is written that under what condition both the roots of the equation are 0. Both the roots. Okay. Now if b and c both are 0, then what I am getting? Ax square equal to 0. From there I am getting x square equal to 0. That means x 0. So one root is 0, so other root will also be 0. So what is the condition? That if b and c both will be 0, then both the roots of the equation will be 0. Clear? And next one, I am giving star mark. You will get same type in your board book also. I am writing two types. Okay. Solve is given. Solve. First is x square equals to 4x. And another form is given x square by x equals to 4. Clear? Now see. Here if you cancel x and x with x square, then you will get only one root. It is a quadratic equation. So your answer will be wrong. Take x common, x minus 4 equals to 0. Either x equals to 0 or x minus 4 equals to 0 means x equals to 4. So from this equation you will get two values. Clear? And here both are in left hand side. So you can cancel in this way. Here the answer of x will be 4. Clear? It may come, this type of sum may come in board exam. Clear? So this is the difference. Here it is given in the equation form. If you cancel x and x square, then one root will be vanished away. So you will get only one answer, that is 4. So your answer will be wrong. And in this case, both are given. Here it is simply given x square divided by x. So you can divide you will get value of x is 4. Now next one in next video.